Hello children, welcome back once again to our geography session. Today we are going to continue with our lesson number 6, natural region. In the last session we finished with video 1 where we completed part 1, part 2 and part 3. Today we are going to continue with our lesson with video 2, which will also contain 3 parts, part 1, part 2 and part 3. So let us begin with our lesson natural region and try to understand what we had learned, studied and understand in our previous lesson. I had told you to read the textbook page number 32 and 33. My dear children, this lesson is mostly based on all the objective questions and especially the natural regions which it covers. So, let us begin with our lesson, Natural Region Part 2. Well, my dear children, so let us have a quick revision with points to remember. Now, we studied that what is exactly natural region and what is the difference. So, natural region means there is difference in the terms of landform, climate, soil, etc. due to which these differences, that is availability of sunlight and water which is there from the equator to the poles. If you remember, the latitudinal extent starting from 0 degree, that is from the equator, till 90 degree, that is north pole as well as the south pole. So as we start from the equatorial region to the polar region, there is difference in the availability of landform, availability of climate, soil, sunlight, rainfall, everything. And because of these differences in the landform, climate, soil, which greatly influence the flora, fauna and the human life of that particular region. So, because of this, there are regions which also have some type of similarities which stand out with some distinctive features. And because of these similarities and these distinctive features, some of the regions of the world are known as the natural regions of the world. So, in the last session, we studied about 6 natural regions: the tundra region, the taiga region, grasslands of steppes and prairies, the 5 major grasslands of the world: steppes, prairies, pampas, wells and down. Then we studied about the hot desert region. We studied the grassland of the Sudan type, of the savanna type, and also studied the equatorial region. Moving ahead, beside this 6 region, today in today's session, we are going to study and understand 3 important other regions which are also important due to its local conditions, or we can call it as due to its natural conditions. And those 3 regions are the monsoon region, the Mediterranean region and the West European region. So we will understand more in detail about this 3 regions. Now, the monsoon and the West European region, they are more known, or they are famous, or they stand out for because of their specific winds blowing there. That is, specific winds blowing means you must have studied in the last chapter regarding the pressure belt, the solar belt, the high belt, the warm wind, the dry, right? So these 2 regions, monsoon and the West European region, stand out for this specific winds which are blowing. That is the hot winds, you can say, or the dry or the cool wind. Whereas the Mediterranean region is known for its rainfalls in the winter. Mediterranean region is the best region where you get variety of flora and fauna, natural vegetation and colorful human life. So let us understand more in detail about this 3 important natural region in today's topic. So let us begin with the first region, that is the monsoon region. So coming up with the monsoon region, the first point what we are going to study about monsoon region is the location and the area. So what is the location and the area of the monsoon region? As you can see on the screen, the monsoon region lies between north and south of the equator, between 10 degree and 30 degree north and south. As you can see, the green dark areas which are there, these are the areas of the monsoon region where the annual rainfall is more than 600 millimeters over there. Okay, now you can see regarding where these areas are. The areas are found in the Indian subcontinents, which over here you can see. Then we have the areas like Philippines, West Indies, South Africa, we have Australia, we have the Central American areas. So these are the areas where the monsoon region lie between 10 degree to 30 degree north and south. Now, how is the climate in this region? Now, regarding the climate, the summer and the winters, you can see summer temperature is between 27 degree and 32 degrees Celsius. So it is quite hot and dry and nice warm climate over there. Winter temperature is 15 to 24 degrees Celsius. That means winters are also cool, calm and very soothing atmosphere. So this coolness also is there. Ice also is there in some regions. So winters are also very nice in this region. Rainfall, if you see, rainfall measures from 250 to 2500 millimeters. So the areas which are shown in the map is more than 600 millimeters. So rainfall also is in a good amount in this monsoon region, and that is the reason it is called as the monsoon region. Okay, now from where does this region gets the monsoon? So the areas in the monsoon region, it gets the winds which blow, that is from the southwest monsoon wind which comes, and because of this southwest monsoon wind, there are specific areas which gets a heavy annual rainfall. And so rainfall is highly variable and it is quite uneven. That is, the distribution of the rainfall in these areas is uneven. Uneven means it is not the same in every region. So the rainfall is not the same in all the regions, or it is not similar in all the regions of the monsoon region. So what are the characteristic features of the monsoon region? Main is the characteristic feature of the monsoon are summer temperatures between 27 and 32 degrees Celsius. Winter temperature is 15 to 24 degrees Celsius. It rainfalls from 250 to 2500 millimeters, and it gets rain in a specific season, that is from southwest monsoon. You remember in India also falls in the same location. We have 4 months rainy season, right? So we also get the southwest monsoon season. Then rainfall is highly variable and the distribution is uneven. Okay, so other important paragraph, other important characteristic features what we are going to study is regarding the natural vegetation and how it depends. So natural vegetation, if you see, you have semi-evergreen deciduous forest. Semi-evergreen. Semi-evergreen means because of good amount of rainfall, it is always greenery. The plants are always greenery, and deciduous means the forest is full of trees, as you can see on your screen. And vegetation, that is most of the plants or the life of the plants depend upon the distribution of rainfall. So as you can see on the screen. Now, which are the different types of natural vegetation or trees which are found over here? So the popular type of trees which are found over here is the banyan tree. Okay, people ka jhaad jo kehte hain na, banyan tree. Then teak wood, as you can see on your screen. Teak wood, it is a softwood that is specially used for furniture. Okay, teak furniture is very nice, very what do you call it, durable furniture. Okay, next tree what you can see is a sal and sesame. The next one what you can see over is a sandalwood, the wooden Natarajan idol which is carved from the sandalwood tree. Next you have over here various type of chinako tree. Then you have bamboo trees, you have acacia, you have small shrubs and grasses. So these are some of the important trees. That is the sandalwood tree is there, then teak wood is there, sesame is there, which you can see the Natarajan murti which has been, well, the idol which has been made. So these are some of the woods which are being used in larger scale either for furniture or for decorative work or for preparing essence, just like a sandalwood which is used for preparing scents, it is used for preparing soap, and sandalwood chandan jisko kehte hai, right? So this is found in the deciduous semi-evergreen forest of monsoon region. Coming to the next point is about the animal life. Now, how is the animal life in the monsoon region? Okay, now talking about animal life, wild animals such as tigers, lion, leopards, cheetahs, elephants, wolves, bear, monkeys, boars, snakes, peacock, cuckoos, birds are these are found on large scale over here. Along with that, domesticated animals and cattle, goat, horses, you can see the cuckoo, peacock, okay, now different animals, domesticated animals, all these are found in the monsoon region. Now why? Because in monsoon region, agriculture is carried out on the large scale, and because of agriculture, animal husbandry is also carried out on the large scale. Moving ahead, about the human life, about the people of monsoon region, as I said, large number of small hamlets, as you can see on the screen, small houses which are there near the seashore or village houses, hamlets, chote ghar, okay, because of heavy rainfall and uneven distribution of rainfall, agriculture is the most important occupation of the people over here. So there is lot of difference in the variety of rainfall, and along with that, various regions, okay, it is divided right from, you have Central America, you have Australia, you have East Africa, you have subcontinents of India. So there is variety of food, there is variety of costumes and customs among the people. So population is also good in this region, and primary occupations are also carried out because deciduous areas are there, wood is available, so furniture, lumbering is wood, sculpture, making of art, designing, agriculture is there, so farming and all is carried on, animal husbandry is carried on. So all these things are majorly carried out in monsoon region. I hope you have understood this. For this, you have to read your textbook, page number 34, first part, monsoon region. It is very important. All these regions are very important. In the last session also I told you, this lesson is completely filled only with all the objective based and the important questions based on natural regions. Okay. So moving ahead, the next region we will start is the Mediterranean region. In the Mediterranean region, let us understand the location of the Mediterranean region. The extent, it is between 30° and 40° parallels in both the hemispheres on the western side of the continent. And which are the areas of Mediterranean region? You have the Portugal, Spain, Algeria, Turkey, California, Central Chile, Southwest and Northeast Australia. So you can see the regions on your screen where we have the Mediterranean type of region. The Mediterranean region is very beautiful region, colorful, very soothing and nice climate. Now see the climatic about Mediterranean region. Summer is also there, winter is also there. We have dry summers and there is rainfall in winter. Now the mean summer temperature rises from 21° to 27° Celsius. Winter temperature is between 10° to 14°. So there is snowfall in this region, a beautiful picture. And annual rainfall is from 500 to 1000 millimeter, less than monsoon region. Okay, monsoon region is from 250 to 2500 millimeter. Mediterranean is from 500 to 1000 millimeter. So it also rains during the winter season because snowfall is there, so it also rains. Cold, dry, cool winter seasons are there. So this is the climatic condition of the Mediterranean region. Okay, I hope you are cleared with this. Moving ahead, let us understand about the vegetation of the Mediterranean region. So you have thick, small and oily leaves. As you can see on the screen, you have olive tree, you have chestnuts, you have oak trees. Okay, the first picture is of olive, second is the oak, below down you have the chestnut fruit, right? Then the third picture is regarding the short grasses which are grown, and this area is covered with coniferous mountainous region. Coniferous, just like a Christmas tree. So this area is covered with coniferous. The leaves, as you can see, they are shiny, they are sticky because this region, it has winter, it has cool and dry summers. So the leaves are starchy. Okay. So these are the different pictures I have shown about the fruits and the different regions of the Mediterranean regions. So pomegranates are there, grapes are there, guava is there, pineapple is there, coconut. So we will study this more in detail. Okay. With this, we will stop over here with our part 1 and we will continue with